So I'll just do whatever. Yeah, now let's go. Lie down. Here we go. You can start a little bit with rolling the knees. So I'm taking, just stand your legs like this and see that you can roll a little bit the pelvis right and left, and you can lead the way with your knees. So the knees are taking you here and there. I can lead with the outer knee, or I can lead with the inner knee. I can play with it. And notice that your head is responding. You can see that when you take the knee, let it fall, the head is doing a yes a little bit, but also a no a little bit. That's it. And at one moment I let the knee fall completely, but I'm not doing it in a big boom. I try to, as if I connect a string between the knees, and one knee is giving contra so that the other knee is falling, I would say with control, but it's not control, it's just an invitation. Chuck. All the way and back a few times. See that the pelvis is reacting to it. Let your pelvis roll until you see there's a big or a start or a spiral in the back, in the vertebrae. Then I let the other knee follow it. After this one reached the floor, I let the left knee, so I drop the right knee right, and then the left is following. And now it's starting to do a circle. So first, I can imagine the clock. The clock is on the floor underneath, and down, I guess, is 6, 12, 3, and 9. So, no, the opposite, sorry, 9 and 3. So 6, and I'm taking the left knee to 6 first, and then continue to 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5, and again. Oh yeah, I forgot to shush you. I'm sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. And again, 6, 7, 8, do it fast, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 again. And I can take it from 5 even. Try to find it at 5, right there, to the left of 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take the other knee. So I'm dropping the left knee to the left. And I connect the string between the knees. So this one is giving contra to the other side. Then I let the right knee fall after it. And I take it to 6 first. Notice that you don't take the shoulder first. Try to take the knee and lead the way with the knee. So the body is reacting, but the knee is taking. Yeah? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11. I'm stopping at every station, but I'm not stopping for long. 9, 8, 7, 6, and to the other side again. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The diagonals, I think, are very important. So 5 and 7, 11 and 1, and also 10 and 2, and 4 and 8. Usually it's very clear to us, the quarters, 9, 3, 6 and 12, but the diagonals, we cut them, we cut the circle. So try to see, go all the way. It's like I'm drawing a spiral that is expanding more and more. So the circle is getting bigger and bigger with each circle. Sure. Sure. And again, the other side, right knee is taking a big circle. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bigger I want the circle, I have to give support in the body. So I'm actually thinking about the body going the other direction. So if the knee is going to 12, I'm taking the body to 6. If I'm taking the knee to 11, I'm thinking about 5. So all the time the contra, the other side. 9, I think about 3. 8, I think about 2. The body is going this way, so it's supporting the knee to go there. You can try it. Take the knee to, let's say, 3. And see that if you want to take the knee more to 3, even more, all you need to think about is taking the body to 9. And it will react. And another one, so I'm taking the knee even more to 3 by when thinking 9. And more and more and more and more. So this is a good tool. Try to do the same with the knees connected to the hands. So first I'm just getting acquaintance with it, getting friendly with this position. You can do the same from underneath the knees. Basically, you can do the same also here with the feet. But we'll start with the knees. So I'm taking the right knee to the right, and the left knee is following, and it's taking. I'm starting to, let's say, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, thinking about the contra, the other side, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also bizarre because usually I don't think about this direction. So 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to take it there. 4, 5, 5. It starts to go this way. 6. You see what's going on? And again, I'm trying not to take the shoulder first. 6, 7, 7, 8. Wow. 9, 10. Check. And maybe the other side. So 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check. Maybe. Yeah. Check. Do it a bit faster. So I'm taking one circle from one knee and then the other side, the other knee. Check. 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 And let it go for a second. Roll over on your stomach. Rest for a second. Roll on your side. Now I do something else. I take but it's similar in a sense. I take one hand into the other hand, yeah, and I start walking with my fingers from one hand to from the bottom hand forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Very lazy, very sloppy. Notice that the head is responding, rolling here and there, forward and more forward. So one amount and the second amount, and another one, and back, there, and back, there, and even more, and back. And I can do the same towards me, and back, and me, and back, and me, and back, and another amount, and back, and another, and back, And I can do this in a diagonal. So I'm scanning the area, I'm scanning the floor around me. So first we had this path, now we have this path. And now I can do in between. It's as if I'm marking territory and downwards as well. I'm leaning all the time on the floor. I'm leaning with my hand so that I don't lift it. So I don't have to carry myself. The floor is carrying me. See that it can do the same in your direction. So we have this borderline, right, of the length of the hand. I can go beyond it, and I can go closer to it. Maybe upwards as well. There. Notice what needs to happen in the body in order for this to happen. So the obvious thing is that the vertebrae need to react, right? There's a spiral in the back that's happening. But also the hips, right? The hips are reacting. And also the knees. And obviously the head. Check. That's it. And now you can take it for a walk around until it opens the body. So I'm making a circle like we did with the knee. We did a circle with the knee. I'm doing the circle with my hand. I'm walking around in a spiral that's getting bigger and bigger. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and do it faster so there's less stations, or the stopping in the stations is getting faster. The stopping is just for less amount of time. And you can think about less stations. So 6, 9, 12, 3, and 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, and now just 2 stations. 6 and 12, 6 and 12, 6 and 12. And rest for a second. You can already feel the body is much more alive, vibrant. It's as if something cleared up, something cleaned up. And now take the hand towards the ceiling. I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Take the hand towards the ceiling and we do something similar. So now the shoulder is taking forward and back, forward and back, and backwards and back, backwards and back. I take the shoulder down towards the hip, check, and back, and towards the ear. Let it fall up in this direction, towards the head. Check. And now I can do a circle. So again, I do a circle with the shoulder, and it's going to 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3. You can do it with the elbow bent. Maybe it's easier. We can do the opposite. So the elbow is drawing the circle around the shoulder, right? The shoulder is the axis. And now I stop the elbow and here it is the axis. And the shoulder is drawing a circle around it. Check. And again, the elbow is drawing the circle and then the shoulder is drawing the circle. And now play with both circles. And notice that also the ear is drawing a circle. And if you let go of the body, the hip will draw a circle as well. So I'm playing with it until I have no idea who's doing with which circle anymore. Check. Let it fly. Check. Each vertebra is doing a circle. Nice. Yeah, and take it to the back. Yeah. And to the other side. So again, I'm taking the shoulder forward and back. Sorry. First this. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and another forward and back and back. And backwards and back. And backwards and back. And backwards and backwards and back. And you can take it sideways in a circle, small circle around the hand. I don't know if you can see. I try to keep the elbow completely straight. Not with effort, but in a way that there is no elbow. The hand cannot bend. And diagonals a little bit. Now we can circle. So I'm taking it 12, 1, 2, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, and take it faster. So 6, 9, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9. I can also take diagonals. Not sure if I can make it, but let's say 5, 1, 11, 7, 5, 1, 11, 7, 5, 1, 11, 7. And I'm imagining the circle growing and growing and growing, going bigger and bigger. Your hand is getting more and more far from you. More and more far from you. in each direction. You can think about maybe a magnet that you have in your hand and it's being pulled. The hand is being pulled to the magnets on the circle. Here. Yeah, this is very helpful. Here. 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 Or being, yeah. And then 6 and 12. 6 and 12. 6 and 12. And let it go. Rest for a second. Smile. Breathe. Yeah. Take the elbow or the hand upwards towards the ceiling and make a circle in the. So I'm taking the shoulder forward, down, backwards, and up, forward, down, backwards, and up. And the elbow can do the same. So the elbow goes forward, down, backwards, and up, or the other direction, doesn't matter. The elbow is drawing the circle around the shoulder, or the shoulder is drawing the circle underneath the elbow. That's it. Now put your hand on your sitting bone and see that you can do the same with the hip. So the hip goes towards you. You can help with the fingers towards the ear and back. I jump it to the ear and make it hop to the ear and back. I can take it down away from the ear. I can take it forward. So the knee is sliding over the other knee. And I can take it backwards. And everything that I do here, I do it from the fingers. So notice the hand is taking the opposite direction to the action you're doing. So if the sitting bone is going forward, the hand is going backwards. You can feel it in the elbow. Check. Yeah? This, and this. Check. 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 Here. Check. 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 And you can do the same in the shoulder. Right? Up, forward, down, backwards, up, forward, down, backwards. And you can play with both circles. So the hip is doing one circle and the shoulder is doing a second circle. And you can play with them. You don't need to know exactly what you're doing, and they don't have to be full circles. Check. And see what happens if you don't stay on your side. You even take it to the back and you still do the circle in the hip, right? And the circle in the shoulder. Play with it. You can stand the leg or stand the hand or both. I'm playing small, it doesn't have to be big. Sink into it. Yeah. You can try the other hand, the other leg. Let the head react, let the ears react. Yeah. make it bigger until you reach a position, until you reach a point that you're not staying on your back anymore. You can play to the side and even roll it more so that you go into sitting. Don't try to sit, see if it goes there, right? It's an option. You can stay on your back, you can go to the side, you can go on one elbow, and the way down up to sitting. Stay here for a second, roll the pelvis. Freely make circles, make arches, make spirals, eights. Yeah, we said an eight is just two circles combined, attached. See that you can continue. Just till you get to a position of 6. And continue the rolling of the pelvis and the rolling of the shoulders and the rolling of the head. You can go through the elbows. You can go up to straight hands. You can straight one leg every once in a while. You can bring it under you. Maybe start the journey upwards to standing. And you can see it. You can stay in each station for a little bit until it feels. Until I get to a point of standing completely, but I continue the rolling inside. I continue the rolling inside. And I make the rolling bigger and bigger and bigger, but also I can do it smaller and smaller and smaller. It depends on the direction I look for. I can send it upwards, I can send it inwards. You can send it both ways. At the same time. Let it collide inside you. And do it faster. Cha, 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 cha. Less. Lose yourself inside of it. No, don't let yourself be focused just because you are here standing right now. You can keep your eyes closed. You can let everything still be very lazy and sloppy. Cha. Yeah. Chak. Chak. You can clean from the head, clean from the jaw. Yeah. Clean from the hands. Yeah. Yeah. And let it vibrate even more, faster, faster, faster and faster. Yeah. So the more fast it goes, the smallest it gets. Gets more and more small and more quick. Yeah. You can clean from the head, from the legs. Chak, 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 chak. Yeah. Open your eyes. Chak. Look at the world. Chak, chak, chak. Even more. Chak, Yeah. 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 Take it more down, downwards, downwards. Yeah. 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 Don't forget to make noises and smile and breathe. Yeah. Yeah. I can start the breathing. Notice we always take air in when we say breathe. So you do, right? So let's try the opposite. When I say breathe and you take out first. Yeah. And the air goes in back automatically. So breathe. Yeah. And smile. Yeah. Yeah. And tap it. See if there's a place that didn't receive. Yeah. 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 Go wilder, wilder. Yeah. 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 Don't stop in the frame, in the square you built to yourself before. Go out of it. Yeah. 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 Like the animals in the wild. Yeah. Go around yourself. Yeah. 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 Don't plan it. Don't think about it. Make the conclusions later if it was good or bad. For now, you just go. Yeah. 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 And one last minute, we go much faster. Yeah. And stop, let it sink. Yeah. It's like the storm in an ocean, big storm, and then the quiet after the storm. So after everything is pulled out of its place, and there's nothing like a big swirl of everything, and now it's sinking downward, right? Everything that is everywhere, the big soup of the ocean, now it goes downwards, and the water can be cleaned, can be bright and transparent again. You can really see it. I see it also in the vision. It becomes brighter, it becomes clearer, more transparent. Yeah. 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 Thank you very much, guys. You are alive. Yay. Where are you? There you are. Everybody's here. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How was it for you?
It was very enjoyable, but I always have a hard time with the sit phone and relating with it with my hand, actually. I just can't really relate. My hand, my wrist, something, it just doesn't relate to my sit phone to like move it from that position. It's always very like, I don't know.
Explain, what do you mean?
Like when you're here,
Yeah.
like, and you know, to move your sit bone, I don't relate to it. Like I don't feel like I just don't feel like I understand. I know where my sit bone is, and I know where my hand is, and I know like how to move it from. But from that position, it doesn't. I can't relate to it. Like it's like completely. There's no conversation for me.
You need to think the other direction. What I just saw you doing is collecting it with the whole body, and then
Yeah.
there's no way. You have to think about falling to the other direction. So actually, you're falling this way. Eagle has a weird image for it, but it works for me. The imagine the איך אומרים שרשרת?
Chain.
The chain of a tank, of the wheels of a tank. A caterpillar. Yeah.
I don't know what that is. The chain of a wheel of a tank. Like,
Yeah.
tank. Like I'm American, dude.
Yeah, but you know a tank, right? You know
Yeah.
how it works. So you have a few wheels, and it has a chain that wraps the whole wheels together, and the chain is going this way. So one part is staying on the ground, and then it comes after.
Oh, okay, that's what you mean. Okay.
Yes. And then, yes. So this is the chain,
Uh-huh.
and here. And now I'm taking this here. You see? This is the image. This is why it works. So this replaces the place of the sitting bone, and this replaces this, and this replaces this, and this replaces this. So the whole thing is going forward. Chuck. See it? Yes, yes. That's it. You feel it?
Yeah.
And now do it more provocative. Yeah. That's it. This is it.
But I don't understand how to get back. Like the back thing? I
The
don't
back,
understand.
well, usually it works from here, so you fall into it. But you can do it also, imagine the sitting bone, and you can do this, and then this. Chuck. So you come from this side of it and you straighten it. You send it down and forward. Chuck. Chuck. But if it's not clear for you, then take it from here, from the hip. Chuck. With the thumb. Yeah, you see? Tuck. Chuck. And tuck. Okay?
Okay.
It's that easy. It's not it's making a provocation with the fingers in the direction you want, and then make sure the body is reacting. That's all.
Yeah, the body is like, huh? The body's like, thank you. Toda.
Welcome, my dear. Very good, my friends. Okay, just remember this Thursday, there's no movement class. There will be something different. Like suggestions and guidelines for Zoom treatments. So you're welcome to join. Just know it's not a movement class. Okay? Perfect. Tov, guys, see you soon.
Thank you.
Toda. Bye.